there, and welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers, and with me today, our guest, as always, Gary Bruce with the law offices of Gary Bruce right here in Columbus. Thanks for joining us. Yes, every Wednesday we enjoy it. Now we have a question, a special question for you. Wow. The NCAA basketball tournament is upon us, and we understand you've got a very special favorite team. Tell us a little bit about that and why. Well,
I grew up in Kentucky. I went to the University of Kentucky, so that's a big part of basketball.
Yes,
basketball is a big part of being from Kentucky. So we're kind of excited.
Yeah.
Got a good seed. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully they can overcome North Carolina and UCLA and go for the big
and all the others,
win.
right?
Yeah,
all the others. So quite a few, 64, a bracket of 64 teams playing in, right?
Well, there's more than that, but this is the big week. You know, this is the one when even the casual fan can have fun. You know, because it's just one game after another. They're exciting, buzzer beaters, underdogs, Cinderella stories, the whole bit. You know, so this is kind of fun.
We all remember the Gonzaga of years ago, right? That beat a team. So it's fun. There are brackets out there. Now, have you filled out the real-time bracket that WTVM has?
Well, I guess I'm going to. I've been kind of reluctant to fill out brackets because I usually vote with my heart instead of my head, so I don't do very well, you know. So anyway, I probably will, though. Okay. That'll be kind of nice.
It's real easy to get to. It's right there on our homepage. There's a logo and everything. You can fill it out.
I'll do that.
Just a lot of fun. That's really cool about this one, Gary, and you might like this, is that you can actually change your pick up until like 4 minutes left in the game. So you've chosen Team A, and they're not doing so well. You can actually switch your pick, but only up until 4 minutes left in the game. Then you can't switch anymore. So it's easy to find on WTVM's website. So tell us, so some people wager money on this time of year and on these brackets and such as that. Is that legal? Can they do that?
They say billions are spent or wagered. But here's the deal. Is it legal? No. You know, it's probably not. It's not in Georgia or Alabama. It's not legal. It's legal in Vegas, you know. But so what do you do? But are you going to be prosecuted? I hate to speak for our local law enforcement, but I don't think so. You know, as long as it's not some big game, it's a few dollars.
Yeah.
What I've read and what I think is important, if you own a business, don't sponsor it. But don't worry about enjoy it, have fun.
The
it's
office
casual.
pool is okay. Yeah,
that's
casual.
okay.
Yeah.
You know, the only crime that I see is when someone who doesn't watch basketball wins it all.
Yeah.
You know.
There you go.
That's the part I don't like. So.
And so we're shooting for Kentucky, right?
I am.
Very good.
I don't know about you. All right.
Thanks so much for joining us today, Gary, and we look forward to seeing you on the very next Legal Break.
Thank you.